Welcome back again, my dears. Still we are in the girl who made me the social barrier. My friend is still, I'm saying you, take the first, the failure, and then be a successful man. To melt our love was beyond Hudo's family and other people who were living in the block. I decided to marry Hudo, but Hudo's mom became to me a nail to my life, and my mother agreed to our marriage. A few days later, my mother changed her mind and decided not to marry Hudo. After that, I shifted our house to L5 village, where there was living my lovely friend Ayub Awais Muhammad, who was giving me a special encouragement how to settle down my mind, but I became stupid when I saw my mother rejected me to marry Hudo. I started to against my mother every proposal she forwarded me. I was coming across even every proposal that my mother attempted to come with me. My friend is, I do remember freshly the remark is when Hudo's mother was saying me, which it was like this: I have reached my goals, and every decision which is going on our house I was sharing her mother. At the time she's supposed to calm me down, Hudo's mother, she attempted, or she was trying to flame me ahead. My dears, I am crying, and I cried before. My eyes are full of tears, and my tears had filled a pool. I neglected my studies. I remained behind my schoolmates. My brothers and sisters, this is world, and never try to come across what your parents is, where your parents has revisited you, because you don't know where it is good for you and where it is bad for you. And I do remember freshly, love doesn't die, love does not die, but lovers dies. My friend is, and I'm saying you, when you are a student or a people, never try to jilt Allah, because a student never attempted to jilt Allah. But if you are attempting to jilt Allah while you are in study, my friend, you will be pumped as a flame. Otherwise, I will have said to you, go ahead for listening or watching. Keep watching on it. We will continue. You will understand a lot. You will understand a lot. You will understand a lot. Yeah, you will understand a lot. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. because you can see how I am today. I am your brother and I am waiting for your support. Give me your support and let me come or ahead. Let me come in front for the YouTubers lane. Otherwise, thank you, my brothers.